What's up, guys? This is Daniel back from Bar Shield with episode 114 of Bar Pit Tuesday. Today we're just going to talk about the humidity. It's June 25th, 2019 in the Midwest here in Columbus, Ohio. And yep, it's super humid out here. So today it's about 8 o'clock in the morning. We're looking at about 85% humidity. So it's pretty humid out here. If you've ever walked into a gym before and you've seen the bar sweating or the floor is slippery, feels like an ice skating rink, that's due to the humidity that's in the air. So it is absolutely imperative that you keep your bars as dry as possible. Obviously it's not going to be perfect, but do your absolute best to keep the moisture off the bars. So after use, grab a microfiber towel, at least wipe them down. If there's chalk in the knurling, get the chalk out of the knurling. Grab a nylon brush and get the chalk out, so it's not going to hold the moisture in that one particular spot on the bar, causing it to rust faster. Okay, as an added protectant barrier against the rust and that oxidation process, you can use something like our Bar Shield lubricant formula here. It's a food grade and biodegradable anti-rust and corrosion lubricant, so it's made to combat the rust. Okay, so in the more humid months in the summer, this will be one of your best friends if you plan on keeping the rust off your bars. If you don't care, more power to you. But if you plan on keeping the rust off and keeping this sleeve spinning right, grab some of our lubricant at our website, www.barshieldUSA.com. Just click the link in the bio here. And if you have any questions, don't hesitate to reach out. Thanks. We'll see you next week.